Here we are once again at Revive MedSpa in Kingston, joined today by Dr. Joe Giacometti. Thank you for having us, Dr. Joe.
Thanks, Rachel. Happy to be here.
Yeah, there's so much to learn about, and I want to start with your background. Can you tell us the story kind of how you ended up at Revive?
Sure. So I'm originally from the area. I'm from Old Forge, so local.
Yeah.
I did my training down in Philadelphia, med school, college. And then I had a little bit of an inkling for eyes. So I decided to do ophthalmology residency. Did that at Yale. Then I decided that cataract surgery wasn't really for me. I wanted to focus more on the eyelids and structures around the eye. I did a subspecialty training in something called oculoplastic surgery. And I did that in Houston, and eventually worked my way back to Pennsylvania, worked in the Philadelphia area for a few years, and then came back home in 2019. So
Bookending it with NEPA. It's nice to know.
All roads lead to NEPA. So.
So true. We always say that. Now let's talk about services that we can get. If someone comes and says, hey, Dr. Joe, what can we get from you here in Kingston or in Scranton?
Right. So there's a wide range of services, both surgical and non-surgical. So with regard to surgery, upper, lower eyelid surgery, I think something that a lot of people don't realize is that some surgery is functional, meaning it's covered by insurance. It will help with vision. And then there's also cosmetic surgery, the upper and lower lids. And, you know, when you come in and we see you, we kind of go over what category you fit into. So surgical, but then also something that you'll see here specifically at Revive are all the non-surgical options that we have. So we have a wide range of skincare. We have estheticians here, and we have procedures that can be done that also help with cosmetic appearance around the eyes.
Yeah, so it's kind of like whatever you're looking for, you can find the answers here. I imagine, too, that you get a lot of people through these stores who maybe don't even know exactly what they're looking for. They come to you to kind of figure out what the options are.
Right. So, I mean, most people, you know, they know about Botox. Sure. Maybe they know a little bit about fillers, but that's just kind of the tip of the iceberg. And specifically what those things do, most people aren't really clear on. So that's why, you know, when you come to see us, we really do a full evaluation. It's a customized sort of consultation where we get their concerns, what would be the best options for them. Many times it's not just one thing that would work for them. So we go over all of that and we come up with the plan. So.
Yeah, and this happens here in Kingston. It also happens in Scranton where you spend a lot of your time.
Yeah, so this is the main Revive location here in Kingston, but we also have Northeast Eye in Scranton. There is sort of a mini Revive location there where we see patients there a few days a month. So
yeah, so nice to know you got options that are convenient to you no matter where you are in NEPA. And you know that you're going to a doctor who understands what it's like to be an NEPA resident and is kind of serving his community on the back end here. So Dr. Joe, thanks so much for having us today.
It's been my pleasure, Rachel. Thanks for speaking with me.
Of course. Remember, you can always head online to learn a little bit more or to book that appointment today.